Hi everyone, Judith. It's great to be together again. Today we're going to talk about something super important, your kidney health. Did you know your kidneys filter about 50 gallons of blood every single day? So let's dive into 6 natural drinks that can support these hard-working organs. First up, cranberry juice. It's known for being both tart and tasty, and it can help prevent urinary tract infections, which can be beneficial for your kidneys. Always go for the no sugar added kind. Next, we have lemon water. The citric acid in lemons helps prevent kidney stones by breaking down calcium deposits. Plus, it's a refreshing way to start your day. Just squeeze half a lemon into your water and you're good to go. Our third drink is dandelion tea. This one might be a surprise to some, but dandelion tea is a natural diuretic helping your kidneys flush out toxins. It's also packed with vitamins A, B, C, and D. Moving on, we have nettle tea. This herbal tea not only helps in getting rid of metabolic waste, but also supports the overall function of your kidneys. Drink it regularly for best results. Number 5, beet juice. Beets are rich in antioxidants and nitric oxide, which can help reduce inflammation and improve blood flow to the kidneys. Remember, moderation is key. Last but not least, watermelon juice. Staying hydrated is crucial, and watermelon juice is incredibly hydrating while also being a natural source of lycopene, which supports kidney health. There you have it. 6 natural drinks to keep your kidneys happy and healthy. Try incorporating them into your routine and feel the difference. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy.